Hello friends, today let's see how to prepare sabzi from breadfruits. Welcome back to my channel Home of Tastes Veg Recipes. Peel the skin and the inner core of breadfruit and chop them into small pieces. Then dip them in water. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 chili and fry until it turns brown in color. Then add curry leaves and breadfruit pieces. To this, add 1 glass of water, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt per taste and jaggery if it's required. Cook around 10 minutes and then make sure that the breadfruit pieces are cooked thoroughly. If yes, then add half cup of grated coconut and mix well. Serve it with rice and ghee. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon for your notifications.